Now we will see how to create a case assignment rule. So do you remember in Sales Cloud also we have a lead assignment rule. In Service Cloud we got case assignment rules. So what we have done in lead assignment rules, we assign the particular lead to the users. Like when we create a lead, the lead will assign to a particular user. In the same way, in case assignment rules also we will assign the cases to the users. What is the navigation for that? Click on this setup. In the quick find search box, type case assignment. Yeah, you can see when we type the case, you can see this. Click on the case assignment rules. So this can be used to queue cases automatically or hand up ownership to a specific teams or representatives. Typical applications filter cases by geographical area, by time of day. Assignment rules can switch between service centers automatically or by a customer service level agreement. Now click on this new button. Type a descriptive name for the new case assignment rule. Case. Click on this active checkbox. Click on save. Now click on new button under the rule entries. Give the sort order number. Now so if you click on this down arrows, we can select the fields over here. You can select any of the field. So I'm gonna select the case reason equals to, so we are talking about of the reports, right? Like I'm gonna select the performance, then click on insert. So just like what we have done in lead assignment rule, we have to select the user. I'm gonna select this user and the templates. So Salesforce uses template to send an email notification to a user when it assigns a case to him. So I'm not going to select any template. Just going to click on save. So then when you click on save, Salesforce refreshes the screen and displays a new role in the active column. So what will happen? The case reason equals to performance. When anyone writes the case, anything related to performance issues, that will assign to this guy. So maybe you can ask like what will happen if the case does not match any of the rule criteria. So we can force case assignment by creating a final rule with no criteria. For example, if rule entries, this is rule entry. For example, if the rule entries 1, 2 and 3 check the state, product sold and customer service agreement. Then the fourth one, add a blank rule that catches all other cases. You can force case assignment by creating a final rule with no criteria. For example, I'm going to create a second one with some reason. In the same way, third one with some reason. The second one, for example, regarding the product sold, or third one regarding the customer service. So then the fourth one will be the blank rule that catches all other cases. Use this rule to assign the case to a default owner or queue. So that's the way we create case assignment rules.